I'm Professor Emre Huri. I'm working at Hacettepe University, Faculty of Medicine and Department of Urology. My professional background is functional and reconstructive urology, neurourology, and female urology. The title of our session in ICS-EUS 2025 is Hands-on Sacral Neuromodulation Training with World-Leading Experts. We will focus on more practical hands-on training in sacral neuromodulation, in which we will include more explaining the anatomical landmark for the surgical procedures and including the timely placement and programming and some practical information about to follow up the patients and the patient selection criteria and more. And we believe that all participants will do this surgery one by one and can learn any kind of the surgical tips and tricks in this workshop by global experts with extensive experience in their surgical skills. We have some specific topics particularly relevant, important today in this workshop. We know that the sacral neuromodulation is rapidly growing field in neurourology and functional urology in various indications like overactive bladder, like idiopathic urinary retention or chronic pelvic pain, and more is coming. And as a demand for minimal invasive and the neuromodulation based therapies increases. And this workshop will be very helpful to all kind of participants: urologist, urogynecologist, neurologist, physical therapist, or some different kind of the healthcare professionals who wants to learn to treat this kind of the neurourologic patient as well. As you understand from my viewpoint, and this will be the multidisciplinary workshop. And then we will teach and also we will learn from the participants when we act the all surgical skills. When you look at the stepwise surgery, the pre-surgical planning and the preparation of the surgical OR and the surgical table, and to introduction the surgical tools for sacral neuromodulation. And then we will also use some different mannequin or phantom models which are produced with the 3D printing models that will be more helpful to be more understandable for you to anatomy. And then you will do one by one from the needle placement to second step of the sacral neuromodulation for permanent implant. And I believe that you will really enjoy this workshop and we will enjoy as well. ICS-EUS 2025 offers a unique platform where science, hands-on training, innovation, and also close friendship together. It's only not a place to make the great hub in functional urology in the world, but also creation the real good network and create and empower the networking into the scientific purposes will be very grateful for all of us. And I personally very excited to join the ICS-EUS 2025 in Abu Dhabi, in a really vibrant city of Abu Dhabi. It's not only a place to learn from world leaders and leading experts, but also an opportunity to connect with peer across specialists and healthcare professionals from various disciplines. Hope to see you all in Abu Dhabi. See you.